Hello everyone, I am Nimish Wagre. In GATE 2021, I have secured All India Rank 23 in Chemical Engineering. In this video, I will discuss on very interesting topic, my life after securing All India Rank 23 in GATE examination. So let us start our discussion. Talking about my background, I am living in a very small village of Ratnagiri district in Maharashtra state. And in my academic I was not a topper. There was some students on in my class who was always coming in for 6 to 7 students in our class who was always paying total attention on the teacher's lecture, attending all classes and making proper notes of them. And I was the kind of students who was taking their notes while examination and preparing for exam from their notes only. Such kind of students. I was not a topper of my class. I was a not a average student. I only prepared for a GATE examination. Means in second year, third year, I joined coaching institute, and I only prepared for GATE. I not studied more for college. Such kind of students. And these toppers of our class have little attitude. They was they was 6 7 and they was in group only. They was making projects, assignments and everything in their group only. They was not taking anyone else. And मीन्स such attitude that मैं जब एग्जाम के टाइम उनको मैसेज करता था व्हाट्सएप पे, प्लीज़ सेंड योर नोट्स, और मैं रिप्लाई भी नहीं देते थे, येस नो कुछ भी नहीं भेजते थे. Such kind of students they was. And this is happen. I think this is common story of every class. I only prepared for GATE examination, and now situation is such a way that now that those out of these toppers, 1 2 toppers still now unemployed. Means they was not getting any for MTech admission or not getting any job till now. And ऐसा बदला नहीं लेना है इस वीडियो से, मुझे उनसे बदला नहीं लेना है. But it is a situation. And in my talking about my after getting All India Rank 23, everyone gets surprised from our college. And such a student can do such a great rank. Means in our college till now, no one got rank in top 50. I was the first who get All India Rank 23 from our college. And I am also not belonging to any IIT or any NIT. I am from Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune, which is one autonomous college in Pune. And I was the first to get rank 23 in whole college history. And every teacher, after getting this rank, every college teacher get to know about me. And talking about my village, I know. After I got admission into IIT Bombay, no one knowing this college in our village. They only know that I got admission into India's rank 1 college. They only know about it, and they was doing my congratulations. It's such a situation in my village. This is and everyone doing congratulations. ऐसा बहुत सब कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, जहाँ भी जाओ कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, ये सब लाइफ बन गई थी आफ्टर गेटिंग ऑल इंडिया रैंक 23. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट माई कॉलेज, मीन्स आई गॉट स्टार्ट गेटिंग रिस्पेक्ट फ्रॉम माई टीचर्स. मीन्स आवर डिपार्टमेंट टीचर वॉज ऑलवेज हेल्पफुल, but others teacher also, other department, computer department teacher also start giving respect to chemical students and also to me. Means talking about when in 3 or 4 years of my BTech, I didn't did a serious internship, not a good internship. So I want to, for this all interviews ONGC IOCL, I wanted to do a good internship. I talk with my teachers, and my this teacher do everything. Means talking about this company HR and sending letters to them and everything, and finally send me call letter from the company. Means such a respect I started getting from my college teachers. Also talking about another situation stories was GAIL company, Gas Authority of India Limited. For this company, we want to submit our final semester certificate in June. But our result was not get declared at that time while submitting the final sem certificate. So I talked with my one teacher, and he did everything. Means they sent him a talk with exam section, and they sent my result before exam result date. They managed to send my result before exam date, and by this way I can able to submit my final semester result to GAIL, Gas Authority of India. And such a respect I started getting after getting All India rank 23. And in, not only this college and my village, talking in every area, means only talking about one LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very professional app, and on which before GATE examination my connection was around 200, around 200. And now talking after getting All India rank 23 and getting admission into IIT Bombay, now my connection are more than 700. Now connection is more than 800 on LinkedIn. Means many students started asking on any platform. My college took my one interview. Many interviews taken by Unacademy. How I prepared for. Means yes, it is available on Unacademy platform. One interview I gave on 25 April on Unacademy. Every platform started taking interview. My college take one interview. How college helped me. This and means everyone, many students asking me how to prepare for GATE examination, which source we should use, how to study for GATE examination, when to study. Many lot of questions on different platforms like LinkedIn and WhatsApp. Yes, after this All India rank 23, I didn't want to face large amount of pressure anytime. Means talking about my class, those who was topper of many toppers of my class, they got rank in top above 500, 600, and they was in little more pressure that will they get into IIT Madras, will they get into IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur for this branch. They don't want this branch for MTech. In such a situation, they was under pressure, and at that time I was totally chilling. Means I totally chill. I do not want to face any. I 100% know that I will get admission into IIT Bombay. But one bad news about me is I didn't get admission into Industrial Engineering and Operational Research, which is the best branch of IIT Bombay. Means for IIT Bombay all branches are best, but this is one top 15 or top students only got admission into this Industrial Engineering and Operational Research branch. I didn't get admission into this branch. I got admission into Chemical Engineering. And this is one also one fact about after getting All India rank 23. And miss many I received my prize from as I was Unacademy students plus subscription students. I received iPhone 11, Apple iPhone 11 from Unacademy. Currently, I am making this video on this iPhone 11 only. Yes, it is miss if you are an Unacademy plus subscription student, you will really get a very good price from Unacademy. Those who was top 10 students, they was getting MacBook, and those who was ranked 11 to 25, they was getting a Apple iPhone 11. Currently, this video is on Apple iPhone 11. And miss total it will rank getting good rank in GATE examination. It will really change your life. And many other platforms also they started connecting me. They started sending me message that we are developing this platform. If you like to join us, we will provide that much payment for you. Many platforms started sending me such kind of request on a LinkedIn platform. But as I was an academic student, I ignored all these requests, and I only prefer to remain on this unacademic platform only. All this fact I want to discuss means it will really change your life. Once you get a good rank in GATE examination, it will change your life in all dimensions. It will totally change your attitude also in by 180 degree. Yes, it is a reality. And that's only I want to discuss with you. And yes, your whole life will get set. Means IOCL, ONGC, all these central government companies taking recruitment for officer position, and they only consider your GATE rank. What is your GATE rank? They will ask generally for interview. Such your whole life gets set after getting a good rank. And that's only I want to discuss with you, and I think this video will find you motivational for GATE preparation. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and let's crack it.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hello learners, don't forget or miss our special class feature on Unacademy platform or application. Special class features are interactive live classes, polls for the learners, raise a hand feature, never miss a class, lecture notes, and you can go through lectures from anytime and from anywhere.